Getting the COVID-19 vaccination. Do you have questions or concerns about getting your COVID-19 vaccine in Delaware? This short video is for you. Many people are still hesitant about getting the COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine is new and many people find themselves with questions. When you are looking for information, it is important that you can find the answers. You want to be sure that the information source is reliable. In Delaware, you can go to coronavirus.delaware.gov/vaccine or call toll-free at 1-833-643-1715. Quality Insights community health workers, who represent and serve diverse populations, explain why COVID-19 vaccination is important to them and why adults of any age with certain underlying medical conditions should get vaccinated because they are at increased risk for severe illness from COVID-19. Before considering vaccine information on the internet, check that the information comes from a credible source and is updated on a regular basis. Information on the CDC's website is researched, written, and approved by subject matter experts, including physicians, researchers, epidemiologists, and analysts. Content is based on peer-reviewed science. This also applies to the State of Delaware website. The COVID-19 vaccine is an important part of protecting your health, as well as your family and friends. Everyone 5 years of age and older is eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine. Everyone age 12 and older who has been vaccinated is eligible for the booster shot. Find a location near you by submitting your zip code at de.gov/gettested or by calling 1-833-643-1715. For help, call 211 and you will be connected to medical personnel about screening. For individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing, text your zip code to 898-211. Key things you should know about the COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective. The federal government is providing the vaccine free of charge to all people living in the United States, regardless of their immigration or health insurance status. If you need special accommodations or require assistance or accommodations to find a vaccine, make an appointment, fill out forms, and/or complete any part of the process to get the vaccine, call the Delaware Public Health Vaccine Call Center at 1-833-643-1715 or email vaccine@delaware.gov. Eligible Delaware Medicaid clients in need of non-emergency transportation should contact ModivCare at 1-866-412-3778. You can also contact your case manager from your managed care organization, Highmark or AmeriHealth Caritas, for assistance with ModivCare transportation. You are not fully vaccinated until 2 weeks after the second dose of a 2-dose vaccine or 2 weeks after a 1-dose vaccine. You should get a COVID-19 vaccine even if you already had it. Getting sick with COVID-19 offers some protection from future illness with COVID-19, sometimes called natural immunity. The level of protection people get from having COVID-19 may vary depending on how mild or severe their illness was, the time since their infection, and their age. No currently available test can reliably determine if a person is protected from infection. COVID-19 boosters. COVID-19 vaccines are working well to prevent severe illness, hospitalization, and death. However, public health experts are starting to see reduced protection over time against mild and moderate disease, especially among certain populations. To maximize protection, get all recommended vaccine doses and get a booster when you can. COVID-19 vaccines work, but boosters give extra protection against variants. Anyone 12 years or older who received the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine can receive a booster. Get the booster at least 5 months after completing the primary vaccination series. Teens 12 to 17 years old may get the Pfizer-BioNTech booster. Adults 18 years and older who receive the Moderna vaccine can receive a booster. Get the booster at least 5 months after completing the primary vaccination series. Adults 18 years and older who receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine can receive a booster. Get the booster at least 2 months after receiving the initial vaccination. Regardless of which initial vaccination you received, the Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna boosters are preferred in most situations. Teens 12 to 17 years old may only get a Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine booster. We have the tools to fight COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccines are effective at protecting you from getting sick. When you get the vaccine, you're not only protecting yourself, you're helping to protect others around you. COVID-19 is an evolving pandemic, and guidance is subject to revision as circumstances change. Be sure to follow the most up-to-date guidance at coronavirus.delaware.gov. For Delaware COVID data and statistics, please visit the link that is shown on the screen or in the description box below. How to find a COVID-19 vaccine near you. For nationwide information, you can search for vaccination sites at vaccines.gov, text your zip code to 438-829, or call 1-800-232-0233. For Delaware-specific information, including walk-up vaccination sites and community events, visit de.gov/getmyvaccine.